Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here. Wanted to do a video on an update. We're undergoing in Chicago a polar vortex, other parts of the country as well. We hit lows of minus 40, 45 and wind chill. I wouldn't even believe that we're in Chicago. But we're starting to come out of it a little bit. I've got extra layers of clothes on today. It's even difficult to keep house warm. Okay. And I figured, hey, let's get to work on our business. And I'm excited today to do a video on an update on Swipetrades 3.0. So let me give you a little bit of background. Let me give you some of the mentionables out of the way. If you're interested in subscribing to my channel, please subscribe down there. There's a little button there. If you like this video, don't like this video, want to leave comments, please. Also below, love the feedback. If there's topics you want me to talk about, please give me your feedback on that. Love for you to share it on any of the social media if you find it helpful to anybody that you might know. And if you are interested, I am a network marketer and a Forex trader through IMarketsLive. So I am doing both sides of the business. I am helping people, bringing people into the company and helping them make money and change their life. And I'm also a trader, okay? So if you are interested in getting on board our team, there's a link below. If you're interested in just getting more information on it, there's another link below, which is my newsletter. And if you want to go in between that, sign up to my newsletter or actually become a customer, you can reach me and I can get you inside of our Facebook group. We are adding tons of people every single day that are interested in becoming a member of iMarketsLive. We are changing lives daily. We are teaching a skill for you to earn for the rest of your life. So if you're interested, please reach out to me. You can get me on YouTube and you can also get me on Facebook right here. And let me scroll back up here. And just find me here, send me a friend request, I'll get you inside the group, okay? I have 19 years experience of making money online in various different companies. This is by far the best company that I've ever been involved with. I love helping people. I love people reaching out to me. I do it all at no cost advertising. And I just love helping people. They find me. I try to provide as much help, try to get them on board our team. I talk to a lot of my team members every single day. If they've got a question about here or here. The beauty about our specific team is that we are the #1 team in the company. And the reason we're the #1 team in the company is simple. And I say this almost every video. We help people change their lives, period. Do not fall for the shiny objects that are out there. And they are out there, okay? We are here to teach you a skill that will set you free. And we have a lot of great tools, techniques, and strategies that iMarketsLive has to offer. You do not need any experience at all with Forex trading. You can start with a simple app on your phone called the Swipetrades or the Swipecoin. And that's the beauty of why I'm doing this video, because it's an update. So let's get right to it. So a couple weeks ago, I did an update on the Swipetrades on my Facebook. And I kind of wanted to show everybody. So Swipetrades is pretty simple. It is an app on your phone, okay? And here it is right here, actually, okay? Just gives you more information on it. This is an app on your phone that allows you to take trades from 6- and 7-figure earners. There are trade ideas, okay? And all you need to know is how to copy and paste and how to put in a stop loss and a take profit and all that. So literally somebody that's, 12 can actually learn to trade. Of course, can't be a professional trader at 12, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Somebody with no experience in the Forex industry can start, okay? So Swipetrade's been around a couple years, and we just released the 3.0 version, okay? And so we added some resources to it, okay? We have master traders that are trading along with us. They're not giving us a trade idea and then just letting it play out, right? They're actually taking the trade themselves. You can select notifications. So, for example, you put your phone down for an hour, you're in front of your computer, you can get it through email or phone, okay? Most people do actually use the phone for the swipe trades. But if you put your phone down, maybe at work you can't be checking your phone all the time, Maybe you got a PC in front of you. Maybe you got you've got a desk, a traditional desk format for work. You just check your email and put in a swipe trade. Okay. You can select a session. That's one of the new features of Swipetrades 3.0. You can choose the London session. You can choose the Asian session. You can choose the New York session. Doesn't matter, right? Everybody has lives, right? So unless you're a full-time business owner like myself, or a network marketer or affiliate marketer, or you just work from home, then you have a traditional job and you have to select a session, right? All depends on what you have in front of you during your day. Maybe you're spending time with your kids. Maybe you have your kids, you're divorced, you're separated, you have kids in the evening. Okay, well then you can't do a specific session, right? So you can choose to not get swipe trade alerts for specific sessions, depending on what part of the world you're in. So anyway, you can choose, you can decide. I take them all, right? If I'm awake at 4 in the morning, then I might take a trade at 4 in the morning from the London session, okay? But that's totally up to you. Again, this is just a new feature that's available to anybody who has swipe trades. You can you can take the type of trade that you want. If you want a notification for all swing trades that go up and down, and finally, hopefully finish up, you can do that. You can take scalping, short-term, long-term, doesn't matter. You have the choice to do that inside Swipetrades 3.0, okay? There is now a Swipes Plus, okay, which means you can get additional swipes, okay? Now, there's a small additional charge from it, but people can make a full-time living just taking swipe trades, just the basic 3.0 swipe trades. But if you really, 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 really want to keep moving it forward, you can get the alerts from Swipes Plus as well. Okay? And then all the information. It's all the data, right? How did this trade do? Was it a winner? Was it a loser? How is this particular trader doing the last 2 weeks? Does he have more wins and losses? Does he break even? Those types of things. So these are all the new features inside Swipetrades 3.0. Okay? I cannot tell you enough about how this is going. It's absolutely wonderful. It's a wonderful tool to get on board, to learn Forex without knowing a ton of information on how to read charts and candles and all that good stuff, okay? So anyway, so 3.0 came out a couple months ago, and, and I'm going to be honest here, right? I'm going to be honest because I think that's really, really important. So when Swipetrades 3.0 first came out, it was kind of up and down, right? It's just kind of up and down for a couple weeks, okay? Then they kind of got things in order because that happens in any company, right? It could be any business opportunity, any multi-level marketing, any affiliate marketing program. They just go through, sometimes there's a rut, right? There's a rut. So they're trying to integrate all these new features, couple new traders, those types of things. So they're kind of inconsistent, okay? But several weeks ago, they got their act in order. And so I captured these results on a specific week because they'll send updates and stuff. And of course, I was winning all these trades as well. And if you took these trades, you're a winner. So these are just some of them as soon as I can find it. Here we go. And took some screenshots. So this particular trade, because you get a notification, boom. The Euro, the NZD, take profit 1 plus 60 pips, right? Swipetrades update, right? So if you're in the middle of a trade, you will get updates, right? The traders are just not taking the trade and then dropping the ball and walking away and they're done for the day, right? If they see something happening, good or bad, they will alert you, right? So the update could just mean this, and it could say, and then you open it up as to the exact update. It could be, hey, close profit now, raise your stop loss, which, by the way, if you're a newbie, don't worry about it. Very easy to do. So you secure these pips, right? So you don't want the trade, for example, the trade changes direction, goes back down. Well, you're up 60, and now you're only up 30. So what we do is we raise the stop loss so you can collect all 60 pips, right? So this particular trade, 60 pips. This, GBP and USD, 30 pips. Boom. GBP NZD, hit take profit 1, plus 59 pips. Boom. GBP USD, another one. TP1, 60 pips. Boom. GBP JPY, all right, 100 plus pips, Okay, so that's 100, 160. Let's see how good I am in math. 219, 249, 309. Was that the last one? 309. Yes, that was the last one. Okay, so these are just some of the trades that happen to occur this particular week. Now, this was a couple weeks ago. Okay, so I meant to do this video sooner, but these are just some of the wins that Swipetrades is just crushing it with, okay? And again, guys, that's the beauty of this, okay? The beauty of it is that you can start with no real knowledge on how to trade Forex, right? If you can copy and paste, okay? If you copy and paste, then you can make money with Swipetrades, right? That's the beauty. It's you can learn another strategy that IMarketsLive membership has to offer, and there's many, many great tools while you're learning, okay? And I want you to remember something here, okay? There's lots of things out there in the world, in the network marketing world, Forex world, that can be shiny objects, right? Shiny objects, right? There might be an instant gratification, but in the end, it's not going to pay off, okay? So I want you to remember that. Really, really important. Here at IML, we are trying to teach you to trade Forex and give you trade ideas to take trades to be profitable, okay? So you earn while you learn a skill. That's the object. That's the object, okay? Because there's all kinds of things out there in the market now. You can just go into Facebook and a Facebook group and say, join my what's app, and I'll send you free signals. Well, at some point, you're going to have to pay the piper on that. You know why? They're going to give you some free signals, and then they're going to say, now you got to pay for those signals. Well, what about a membership where you actually learn to trade Forex while you're earning with those signals, okay, with those trade ideas, okay? And I just want full disclosure, I do this on every video as well as in the description. Past profits don't guarantee future results. There is risk in trading, okay? So why not earn while you learn a skill, right? IMarketsLive is probably going to be around 20 years, okay? Let's say in 20 years they say, we're done, okay? You have learned the skill, okay? There's all kinds of shiny objects out there, all right? Don't fall for the shiny objects. Learn while you earn, and that's why our IMarketsLive membership is the best investment you can ever make. So, hey, that's it. No more preaching from the choir. I appreciate your time and effort. Again, if you want to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to get on, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments, good, bad, and different. If you want to get on board our team, if you want to get inside Facebook group, boom, reach me. Boom, reach me at my name, okay, which is not hard to remember because there's only a couple in the world, okay? And I'll get you inside of our group for our prospective customers where you can see what our team does every single day to help people make money, okay? Every single day we earn by learning. Learn to earn, okay? Got it? Have a great day. Take care.